I have marked present. Chalo. Start solving. If I have marked roll number 20 present, okay. If minus 15, wait my dear. If minus 15 into x, if minus 15 x is 225, then find the value of x. Then the value of x is, start. Instead of asking me, start solving. Then the value of x is a 14, b minus 14, c 15, d minus 15. Start solving. When I will ask you to send me the answer, that time you will send me the answer. Before that, I do not expect. Then the value of x. Homework. Okay. When I will ask you to send me the answer, then you will start sending me the answer. Okay, so first you solve all this problem and be ready with the answer. Okay. How many integers are there between minus 10 and plus 10? How many integers are there between minus 10 and plus 10? minus 10 and plus 10. How many integers are there between minus 10 and plus 10? Wait my dear, I asked the answer. I asked the answer. A. Wait. Then answer is 20, B 19, C 18, then D 16. You have to do not tell me the answer, my dear. You have to solve this. Then if m is 7 and n is 13, then the value of m minus n is equal to a 20, b minus 20, c 6, d minus 6. Do not tell me the answer. Okay. You have to solve this. If m is 7, n is 13, then the value of m minus n is question mark 20 minus 26 minus 6. Okay. Then fourth question. These are the revision. Fourth question. The product of two integers is minus 120 if one of them is minus 5, find the other. Option A is 12, B 24, C minus 24, D minus 12. Then fifth one is to start solving. The product of the value of Yes, recording has started. The value of minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 6 into minus 8 is A. Is minus 576, B 576, C minus 12, minus 676 and 767, D. Last question, sixth one. Start doing the revision, my dear. You have to solve this. The cost of 7 books is 7 upon 3. Then the value of one book. Then the value of one book is option A is 49 by 3, B 29 by 3, C 1 by 3, D 2 by 3. Start solving. Okay? Do it fast. I am giving 5 minutes. In 5 minutes you solve all the 6 problems. Keep ready answer. Then I will ask you to send me the answer after 5 minutes. So 5 minutes I am giving time. 5 minute time I am giving. Fifth question, the value of minus 3 bracket into bracket minus 4 into bracket minus 6 into bracket minus 8. Option is minus 576, 576, minus 676, 767. I did not ask the answer. You keep ready with all the 6 answers. Then I will start. Okay? Do not tell me the answer, my dear. Unless and until I ask the answer, you allow others also to solve. No, I have to give. Fifth option I am giving you. Fifth option is minus 576, 576 minus 676, and D is 760. What happened? Then D is 767. No comment. Yes. Sixth question. Okay. Sixth question I am reading. The cost of 7 book is 7 by 3. Then the value of one. The cost of 7 book is 7 by 3. Then the value of one book is dash 49 by 3, 29 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Do it fast. Wait my dear, I will wait for few minutes. Okay. Chalo, 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes I am giving. Because we have to give opportunity to every student. So 2 more minutes I will give to everyone. Then we will start discussing the solution. If minus 15 into minus 15 into x is 225. First question, if minus 15 into x is 225, then the value of x is how many integers? No, don't send me the answer. I have not asked you to send me the answer, my dear. I will not see the answer before I will give the command. So once I give the command, you start sending me the answer, then you send me the answer. Chalo, 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Okay. Then the value of one book. Then the value of one book is dash. Options are 49 by 3, 29 by 3, 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Chalo, all of you. Cost. COST. The cost of 7 books. Chalo, all of you start sending me the answer of first. If minus 15 into x, Shreya Veera D, Hemant Jain D. Hemant Jain said 15. 15 is wrong answer. Divya Patel D, Gaurang D, Shaurya D, Dhanvi D, Shaurya, Daksh Patel, Vedant, Tanvi, Aisha, Krishang, Priya Chaudhary, Vedant, Tulaskar, New Sethia, Jay Madhav Das Solanki, D. So all are giving the option D. Then Krish Chauhan, Shreya, D answer. Mayank, Jatara D, Hemant Jain, minus 15, very good. Shruti Pradhan D, Hasti Poria D. Okay. So majority of you are telling me the answer D. So let us log the answer D and check it. Okay, chalo, ठीक है. Let us see whether answer D is correct or not. So minus 15 into x is 225. Yes, so let us check the answer. Let us check the answer. Minus 15 into x is 225, correct? So this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Minus 15 is there in the multiplication. When I will take minus 15 on the right hand side, minus 15 will go in the division. So x will be 225 upon minus 15. Okay? You can divide to plus upon minus. Answer will be negative. Plus upon minus minus. 225 divided by 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 ones are 15. Then it is 75. 15 5s are 75. Answer is minus 15. So D is the correct answer, minus 15. Okay? D is the correct answer, minus 15 for first. So all of you start sending me the answer of second. Second, Hemant Jain A, Priya Chaudhary B, Vedant Tulaskar A. Let us see. New Sethia B, Savni B, Shreya Veera B, Kanika Vijayvargi B, Mayank B, Vedant B, Shaurya Yadav B, Vedant Tulaskar B. Okay, so majority are telling B. Some of you are giving the answer 20. Let us see. So let us, chalo theek hai. Let us log the answer B and check whether B is correct or not. 19 is the correct answer or not. So let us check the answer. Okay. Once we log, we have to check whether it is correct or not. So how many integers are there between, between minus 10 and plus 10? I have told you, whenever it is between, you have to exclude the end number. Whenever it is between means you have to exclude the end number. And from means you have to include the end number. So minus 10 to 10. Let us see how many are there. Minus 10, then minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, then minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now it is minus 10 and plus 10. Between is there. So you have to exclude. Minus 10 you have to remove and plus 10 you have to remove. Now count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 is the correct option, my dear. Understood? Yes. 19 is the correct answer. Yes. So between means you have to exclude. Between means you have to exclude. Okay. Between means you have to exclude the end numbers. From means you have to include the end numbers. This I have taught you. Between means exclude the end numbers. So correct answer is B, 19. Let us see third one. Start sending me the answer of third one. Third one, Shreya Veera D, Durgesh Rana D, New Sethia D, Shaurya Yadav D, Hemant Jain D. What about others? Daksh Patel D, Hasti Poria D, Dharni Vishwarao D, Divvi D, Shruti Pradhan D, Shamni Bani D, Vedant D, Jay Madhav Das D. Okay, so majority are telling, majority are telling D. Let us check whether, okay, ठीक है. Let us check whether D is correct or not. M minus N. What is the value of M? M is 7 and N is 13. Correct? Now see this part. What is sign of 7? Positive. What is sign of 13? Minus. So plus and minus opposite sign. Plus and minus opposite sign. So whenever they have opposite sign, we have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. 13 minus 7 is 6. Which number is bigger? 13. What is sign of that? Minus. So answer is minus 6. So D was the correct answer. Option D is minus 6 is the correct answer. Option D minus 6 is the correct answer. Okay. चलो ठीक है. All of you start sending me the answer of D. B, Durgesh Rana B, New Sethia B, Durgesh Rana B, Vedant Tulaskar B, then Kanika, Aisha, Savni, Priya, Hitansh, Aditi Gada, Jay Madhav Das, Daksh Patel, Hitansh, Uplana B, Shreya Veera B, Praveen Kharwad B, Parv Ora B, Krishang B, Sandeep Darji B, Tanmay B. So Shruti Pradhan. So let us see. Let us log the answer B and check whether B is correct or not. The product of two integer is minus 120. Correct? Minus 120. So first integer into second integer is minus 120. One of them is minus 5. Find the other. Other we consider x. Other we consider x. Other integer we consider x. Okay. Other integer we consider x. So you will get minus 5 into x is equal to minus 120. Now this is my left this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Minus 5 is there in the multiplication. So minus 5 will go in the division. So x is equal to minus 120 upon minus 5. Minus minus sign get cancelled. 524. So answer is plus 24. Minus minus sign get cancelled. Remember this. Now remember this. Plus upon minus is minus. Minus upon minus is plus. Okay. Whenever numerator has plus, denominator has minus, final sign will be minus. So it is minus minus get cancelled. Answer is 24. So 24 is the correct answer. Option B is correct. Now all of you start sending me the answer of fifth. Durgesh Rana B, Shreya Veera B. Very good. Only 2 students so far. Savni Bani B, Tanmay B, Jay Madhav Das B, Vedant Tulaskar B. Only these 5 students. B. Tanvi Datta B, New Sethia B, Aisha B, Krishang. अरे ठीक है. Wait. Krishang B, Parv Ora B, Hitansh Suplana B, Shruti Pradhan B, Shaurya Yadav B, New Sethia B, Hemant Jain B, Divvi Patel B, Vedant Tulaskar B, Praveen Kharwad B, Nishant, Vedant, Daksh Patel, Sandeep, Darji B, Tanvi Datta B, Krishang B. Okay. So let us log the answer B, that is plus 576. Let us see whether this 576 is correct or not. Plus 576 is correct or not. We have to verify the answer. Whether 576 is correct option or not. Okay. Whether 576 is correct or not. So minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 6 into minus 8. So first you have to multiply the sign, my dear. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Minus into minus plus. So final sign is plus. Then multiply the number 3. Multiply the number 3 4s are 12. 12 6s are 72. 72 into 8. 72 into 8 is 576. So plus 576 is the correct answer. So B option is correct. Plus 576. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Minus into minus plus. So final sign will be plus. Chalo start sending me the answer of sixth answer. Durgesh Rana C, Shreya Veera C, Hemant Jain C, Aisha C, Parv C, Shaurya C, Dravani C, Jay Madhav Das C, Dash Patel C, Vedant Pulaskar C, Tanmay C, Krishang B C. Arey wait. Vedant Pulaskar C, Tanmay C, Shruti Pradhan C. Okay, so majority are telling C. Let us log the answer C. Let us see what happens. Verify the answer. 7 book cost is 7 by 3. So what is the cost of one book? So for one book 7 by 3 we have to divide by 7. Yes? Yes or no? For one book you have to divide 7 by 3 by 7. So 7 book cost 7 by 3 rupees. So one book cost 7 by 3 divided by 7. But we have seen whenever you want to convert division into multiplication, you have to take reciprocal of the second. So that will be 7 by 3 into, yes, tell me. What is reciprocal? Reciprocal of 7, 1 by 7. Now 7 of numerator get cancelled with denominator. What is left? 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 is left. Okay. So the correct answer was 1 upon 3. Option C was correct. Chalo, few more problems, 4-5 more problems to practice. Yes, we have 11 minutes are there, so let me give 3-4 more problems. Okay, so in the same way, your exam will be conducted in mathematics tomorrow. So nothing to become panic. You have done enough net practice. Okay. We have done enough revision. I hope all of you are fully confident. So all of you. Yes. My dear, already paper pattern I have given you. There will be 5 questions of 2 marks and 5 questions of 3 marks. Already, I have given you the paper pattern or not? No given, then write down paper pattern. What is there? Write down paper. No, you write down there. I have not sent. Paper pattern. Marks 25. Then duration is 40 minutes. No. Duration is 40 minutes. Okay. Paper pattern is question number 1 will be 2 marks. Question number 2 will be 2 marks. Question number 3 will be 2 marks. Question number 4 will be 2 marks. Question number 5 will be 2 marks. Question number 6 will be 2 marks. 3 marks. Question 5 will be up to question number 5. They are 2 marks. Then question number 6 is 3 marks. Question number 7 is 3 marks. Question number 8 is 3 marks. Question number 9 is 3 marks. And last question number 10 is 3 marks. So 5 question of 2 marks. So 5 question of 2 marks, no? So what is that? 5 into 2. No, fill in the blank will not be there. This type of question will be there. So 5 question of 2 marks. So 5 into 2, 10 marks. Okay. Then 5 question of 3 marks. Then 3 into 3 marks. 3 into 5 question, no. So 5 into 3 marks, that is 15 marks. So 15 marks plus 10 marks is 25 marks. Clear paper pattern? So yes, so total there will be 10 questions. First 5 question of 2 marks, then last 5 question of 3 marks. So paper pattern will be, total there will be 10 questions. Each question will be MCQ. Each question will be, 4 options will be given. You have to pick the correct option. 4 options will be given. You have to pick the correct option. Okay? 4 options will be there. You have to pick the correct option. Chalo, ठीक है. Let us do. Because time is there, no, my dear. We can utilize the time. Okay? Then, 7th question. What number should be subtracted? What number should be subtracted? What number should be subtracted? What number should be subtracted from minus 3 by 7 to get 1? To get 1. Chalo. Option A. What number should be subtracted? Is it clear? A 10 by 7, B 9 by 7, C minus 10 by 7, and D is minus 9 by 7. One more question, 8. Only 2 questions I will give. Chalo. One more question. The sum of two integers. The sum of two integers is 32 if one of them is minus 28. Find the other. The sum of two integers is 32. If one of them is minus 28, find the other. Option A is minus 60, B minus 50, C is plus 60, D is plus 50. Let's do it. Okay, 5 minutes are there. I expect everybody to solve these two, and then after 2 minutes I will ask you to send me the answer. 8th question. The sum of two integers is 32 plus 32. If one of them is minus 28, find the other. Option A is minus 60, B is minus 50, C is 60, D is plus 50. Okay, so let us take 1 more minute. Let me give one more problem if you want, because 5 minutes are there, no? Okay, so even I can take one. 7th one. What number should be subtracted? What number should be subtracted from minus 3 by 7 to get plus 1? To get 1 or plus 1. What number should be subtracted from minus 3 by 7 to get plus 1? So, chalo, ठीक है. See how you should do the revision. For revision, you go through all the videos which I have sent you on the YouTube as well as in the group. First you go through all the videos. Then you go through all the videos of revision. How many revision we have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4. Go through all the videos and practice the problem. You will just look at the solution. If you do not practice, you will find difficult tomorrow's exam. So try to solve the problem by your own. Chalo, ठीक है. Let us discuss. 7th. Start sending me the answer of 7th. 7th answer. Chalo. Start sending me. Shreya Veera C. Very good. First student. Shreya Veera C. Dibbi Patel C. Durgesh Rana C. Krishank C. Jay Madhav Das C. Asti Poria C. Krish Chauhan C. Parv Vora C. Kanika, Hemant, Shruti, Daksh Patel, Krishang, Vedant Tulaskar C. Samruddhi C. Vedant, Yash Kumar C. New Sethia C. Let us see. Let us check the answer. Let us log the answer C and check whether it is correct or not. Let us check. What number should be subtracted from? So whenever it is from, that means that number I will write first. So minus 3 by 7. From this number, what number should be subtracted? Subtracted means minus. We subtract x. Whichever number is from, after from, that number I will write first. Minus 3 by 7 minus x. You will not write x minus 3 by 7. Okay. So we get 1. Get means equal to 1. Now see, this is my left hand side. This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. In left hand side, x is minus. So x I will take it on the right hand side. And this 1 I will take it on the left hand side. I will take x on the right hand side and 1 on the left hand side. So this becomes minus 3 by 7. When I will take 1 on the left hand side, it becomes minus 1 is equal to, when I will take minus x on the right hand side, it becomes plus x. Now make the denominator equal. 1 I can write 1 upon 1. Now take LCM of 7 and 1, that is 7. So minus 3 by 7 minus 1 into 7 upon 1 into 7 is equal to x. So minus 3 by 7 minus 7 by 7 is equal to x. Now denominator is same. So I can simplify numerator. Minus 3 minus 7 is x. Minus minus same sign. You have to add the number and take the common sign. 7 plus 3 is 10. Minus minus common sign minus. Minus 10 by 7. So the correct answer is minus 10 by 7. Okay. So minus 10 by 7 is the correct answer. Chalo, do it fast. Start sending me the answer of D. Durgesh Rana C, Shreya Veera C, Vedant Tulaskar C, Aditi Gada C, Jay Madhav Das, Nishant, Hasti, Krishang, Sandeep, Krishang, let us see. Samruddhi, Krish Chauhan, Meet Doshi, Shravani, Krishang, Parv Vora, Kanika, Vijay Varghese C, Krishang C. Okay, so majority are telling C, plus 60. Let us see. After locking, we have to verify now whether it is correct or not. Okay. Once we lock the answer C. So before locking the answer in the examination, you also verify, my dear. What I am doing here, I am locking then verifying. But in examination, you verify before clicking the correct answer. Okay. So verify twice. Now sum of two integers is 32. So first integer plus second integer is, my dear, mute the microphone, is 32. Sum of two integer is 32. One of them is minus 28. Other is x is 32. This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Okay. Minus 28 is on the left hand side, which is minus. When I will take minus 28 on the right hand side, it becomes plus. So x is equal to 38 plus 28. Now they have same sign, plus plus. Add the number, take the common sign. So answer is plus 60. Plus 60 is same as 60. Okay. So option C was the correct answer, plus 60. Okay, it is 9:41. We stop here. Tomorrow first period also there will be revision. Bye everybody. All the best for Marathi exam. All the best for your exam. All the best. Yes, all the best for your exam. All the best for your exam. Bye everybody. Bye everybody.